Hello student, this is KK Bhatt from LPM Public School. Today I am going to explain the summary of the lesson number 9 of class 10th. Madam Ride the Bus. This lesson is written by Wally Kannan. In this lesson, writer just describe a feeling of a child. Here, a girl whose name was Wallimai, whom we called Polly in short. She was 8 years old girl, but very curious to know the things about and around her. He just stood in front of the door of her house and watched what was happening in the street. There is no playmates. That is why he can't able to play any game with other children. She just lived alone in the house, just watching the things which has been played by the other children. Only just enjoying to watch the game, and the most fascinating things, that was the bus that travel between her village and the nearest town. And in every hour, the buses is going to the towns and once coming back. It means one bus goes to the town, another return to the village. In this way, curiosity just generated in her mind, and she decided to travel by bus. That is why Wally planned how to travel the journey, how to travel by bus. As a time management, she just thought about the time, and then after he queried about the fare of the bus. As the fare of bus, she known through the different sources that from one side there was 30 pases needed, and from other side 60 more. It means she needs 60 pases to enjoy the journey by bus. For a little child, or in those days, that was difficult to collect this money, but she managed to collect those money. She stopped her additional expenses, and finally she succeeded to collect those money. Then after, she decided the timing, because she knew that after taking lunch her mother just went to sleep. That is why he chose the time from 1 to 3, because he believed that during this time the buses came there and returned in time. In this way, just with a plan, Wally just went outside of the village. From there, she got a bus. When she tried to enter in the bus, the conductor tried to help her, but she refused to take his help and said that she was not a child. She was a grown up. She was as old as room that she could manage by herself to enter in the bus. Now, the conductor, a very amiable person, a laughing person, so he just take start to amusement. He said, "Yes, madam, come," and also address her to say madam and request people to give her way and seat for madam. In this way, she got her name as madam. The bus start and Wally just took enjoyment around his around hers. She just stood on the seat, observed the things outside of the bus. She became more fascinated to see the things, the beautiful forest, greenery field, hill, canal, and so on, many things. She took a lot of enjoy. But when she taking enjoy, the bus stopped in one place. There an elderly man, a man entered in the bus, and he also interrupted her to say, "Sit down, don't behave like that." She again said that she was not a child. Again, conductor interfered as an elderly woman just entered and sat beside her. To see the elderly woman, she did not like because the figure of the old woman was not fit. She just having a big earrings. She chews beetles, so water of the mouth just threatening to come out from the mouth. And in this situation, the that women just inquired about Wallis, and Wallis did not reply anything. In this way, on her own way, she was enjoying, taking a lot of enjoy, and continue her journey. But suddenly, when bus ran the road, she saw that a cow of tail ran along the bus. To see the bus, she became very happy because cow is running with the bus of the tail and create a very beautiful pictures about that. And she gets a lot of enjoy. Then after the bus rest near the crossing where she saw the train, then after the bus crossed the zigzag road and entered near the bus station as well as the railway station. There she enjoyed a lot. There she saw big shops and so on. In this way, the bus at last bus went to town in time. From there, every passenger just got down of the bus. At last, conductor just saw Wally to sit in the corner of the bus. He went near her and asked and requested her to come out of the bus to take some drinks. He offered that this party is from his. There is no expenses. But finally, Wally refused to take anything. And in return, she gave him once again 30 paces. And she reported herself about his journey. At last, the bus again moved from that place. The bus once again start The curiosities of that girls not being less, she once again start to watch everything and want to take it, and from her eyes as bus going on. In one place, Wally became shocked to see the dead cow. The cow has been died there. The blood is scattered around his dead bodies, and she guessed that this cow is those who died. And he also inquired about the conductor that this is the cow which has been died. Finally, conductor agreed with her. Knowing the mystery of life, she shocked because she found that the cow which she saw in the morning running uptail, enjoying a lot, now just being a dead body. The bus moves from that place. Wally just sat to cling in the seats. She did not see anything. She became shocked, and when bus reached at his home, silently she came out from the bus. Conductor once again said, "Madam," she smiled, and in this way she had completed her journey. Finally, the girls entered in her house, where she saw that her mother and her aunt was discussing with a matter. To hide herself, she entered in the house. In this way, she had completed her bus journey. No one can know the reality of her bus journey. That is the end of the summary of this lesson. I hope you understand well and get more benefit to this video. Thanks to watch my video.